Hello again, mathematicians. We're continuing on with bearings, but this time we're going in the opposite direction. This is our guided worksheet you can get from the folder. So I'm looking at this bearing, and without reading the question, you can see that it's got 130 degrees. Now, this question says find the bearing of O from A. So the key word is from A, which changes the whole dynamics. If I went from O to A, you can clearly see doing a true bearing that if we start at north and go in a clockwise direction, we get 130 degrees with a true bearing. So from O, so from the origin to A, the true bearing is 130 degrees. But we're not doing that. We're going from A to the origin. So what we have to do, you're probably going, oh, I have no idea. We have to make our new crosshairs. So this is where our knowledge of parallel lines comes into play. So I've just drawn some parallel lines and I put east and west on them just to show that that's how I know they're parallel. These little arrows are to represent that they're parallel lines. And now I'm going to put the line in to represent what we've got in the diagram. So I'll just put my crosshairs there just to make sure you can see how this is working. So if you know your stuff from parallel lines, from the diagram this is 130 degrees. Now we've already discussed that this is 90. This angle here is 130 degrees, take 90 degrees, which we worked out was 40 degrees. So if this is 40 degrees, hopefully you know that this is 40 degrees then, because these are alternate angles. So if it went like that, okay, so if I know that's 40 degrees, I can now do my true bearing. From there to there's 90. Around here is 180, to here is 270, and now I've got to go 270 plus the 40 degrees that I just worked out, and I get 7 plus 4 is 11,310, so that's going to be my true bearing. So basically the trick to this is making sure you read the question properly. So it's from A, so where you're going from, make sure there's a crosshair. Try and remember what you know about bisecting parallel lines. That's why we spend a lot of time on it in year 7 and 8. And have a go. You've always got the answers to check, and ask if you have any problems.